Hi guys. This is Sabrina, your librarian, and I have created this video here to walk you through how to access your course guide for English 101. As we talked about earlier, your course guide has been developed for your course in order to help you with doing research-based assignments in your class. We have some 60 course guides that we've developed in the library, ranging from cosmetology to welding. Again, the course guides have been created to help you with doing research. So we have compiled library resources that we have in the library that may assist you with completing a research assignment, as well as web-based resources that we've identified through the internet that would also be useful to you as well with completing a research-based assignment. So with that said, I'm going to now move into showing you how to access your course guide. So the first thing we're going to do is click on library services icon that is located in the bottom right hand corner of your screen that I'm highlighting in yellow. Okay, right now, this call out box is on this mini slider banner here that's toward the middle of the Lawson State Community College's website, and this is where you're going to click under library services to get to the library's website. So now we're going to click on Library Services, and it's going to bring us to the Lawson State Community College Library's website. As I told you earlier, you can actually get a laptop through the library by filling out the laptop loaner application, which you can see is being advertised on our front screen for our website, right below the icon here on the left-hand side for Ask a Librarian. And I want to point out to you that from the library's homepage, in that top right-hand corner here, there is a tab labeled Course Guides, and this is where we're going to click in order to access your course guide. So now I'm going to click on the tab titled Course Guides, and it's going to bring us to the landing page for all of the course guides that we have created here at Lawson State by the library staff. So all of the course guides are listed alphabetically, starting with adult education, and we're going to go to the E's to find English 101. And we can see it here below, emergency medical services. We're going to click on that link, and it's going to bring you to the actual English 101 guide. Okay. From here, I want you to scroll down towards the bottom of the screen, and you're going to see a box that is titled Databases for Argumentative Persuasive Essay, and listed in this box are all of the appropriate databases to use for your assignment. Okay, one of which is the Opposing Viewpoints database, which we're going to take a look at here in just a second, which is listed third among the list of databases best used for this assignment. If there are no questions at this time, I'm going to move into showing you Opposing Viewpoints database.